Hi guys, it's me. So today we are going to paint this wood palette from Plaid. Folk Art sent me this and it says paint me, so that's what we're going to do. So I have an idea of what I want to do. So first I'm just going to add a little bit of gesso. I have my Plaid gesso here, the Folk Art one, which is great. It's very convenient. You can just squirt it out, so I'm going to use some of that. And then I have a bunch of apple barrel paints and some Martha Stewart paints that are also from Plaid and Folk Art, and I'm just going to fill this up with lots of color. I might even add a bit of collage. So that's step one, and then I'll kind of tell you my idea and what my process is going to be. I think I'm just going to do lots of really beautiful color and add marks and lines with the paintbrush too. So it should be really fun. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you Plaid for sending me this wonderful piece of wood to play with. So I'm going to make a sign, but I really want it very painted with lots of layers, so this should be fun. So
since that day I decided to come home and make a change. Still you drift away now and then. Guess you feel some type of way about it. You are the one that I want. No, I can never leave you alone. I won't make the same mistake. I won't slip anymore. Just I and you. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. I can't walk away from us. That's not me. This don't come around enough. And I believe people close can make mistakes now and then. Those who love you find a way around it. You are the one, the one that I want, the one that I want. No, I can never leave you alone. I say you care, I say you care. You say you don't cry anymore. Just I and you. Only you in my love, baby. It's you, girl, it's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. You're my love, baby. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. You are the one that I want, the one that I want. No, I can never leave you alone. I say you care, I say you care. You say you don't cry anymore. Just I and you. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. Girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my love. Only you in my love. are we going? Where are we going this time? I'm tired of staying, playing out this lie. We were just trying, why are we dying inside? Our love is iron, hypnotized for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why I refuse to leave someone I should behind, but it works out fine. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? What are we showing? What are we showing this time? I'm tired of faking, feeding you the lines. We're not amazing, why does me changing feel right? Our love's a lion, paralyzed for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why, I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind. I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't gone, gone. I know you and me are wrong. Still I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you. I keep on holding, I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing, I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I keep on holding, I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing, I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I ain't never left you alone. I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't gone, gone. I know you and me are wrong. I know. Still I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I keep on holding. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on growing. You keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? Days, those was the best days. High school went down on a Monday. In the hallway, saw you walking slow. Had to come and introduce myself. You knew me though, cause you was all up in my head. You knew you had me win. The only time in math class that I dared to touch you. Put on your shoulder though, and when the bell rang, it was over cause we had to go. After a couple months, we had a label. Boyfriend and girlfriend and unstable. You wore my jersey at the basketball games. Bought a promise ring, gave it to you, then we changed. Time came and took our hearts. Before we even graduated, we had grown apart. That was a while ago. I heard you're happy though. I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios.